Okay, so sometimes the same problem may be asked like this. It is the y equal to, it is a function of a, b, c, d, that is equal to summation of 1, 4, 6, 8, 11 and 12. So the meaning of this arrangement is like this same. Okay, like the Boolean equation. How you have to write here Boolean equation by using this? So here one equivalent is 0, 0, 0, 1. Why we are using 4 bits? Because it is a function of 4 variables a, b, c, d. So that's why we use here 4 bits 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, then 4 is equivalent to 0, 1, 0, 0. 6 is equivalent to like this 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. 11, 0, 0, 1, 1. 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, then you have to convert this into this format. How we are going to convert? So a, b, c, d, variable of a, b, c, d. So a, b, c, d. So you have to write 0 means you have to write inverted. Okay, so 0 means you have to write it inverted. A bar, b bar, c bar, d. Okay, then for 0, 1, 0, 0, a bar, b, c bar and d bar. So like that, whatever the 0 position, you have to write that particular variable in the inverted form. So 0, 1, 1, 0, a bar, b, c, d bar. So here then 1, 0, 1, 1 is a, b bar, c, d, plus here 12, equivalent 12 is 1, 1, 0, 0. So you have to write it a, b, c bar, d bar. So many times it will be asked like this. Okay, what is the question? Question is implement the following equation, following function by using suitable multiplexer. How it will be asked? So it will be asked like this. Okay, implement the above function or Boolean equation by using suitable multiplexer. Okay, suitable multiplexer. So implement the above function. Function means this. Sometime it may ask like this. It is a function of a, b, c, d. There is summation of min terms 1, 4, 6, 8, 11. How you have to convert it into Boolean equation? Just you have to convert into its equivalent binary form and then write. So it is a position, b, c, d, a, b, c, d. Okay, like this. So this is a sequence a, b, c, d. So here a, b, c, d. So just 0 means you have to write inverted. Okay, a, b, c, d. 0, 0, 0, 1 means a bar, b bar, c bar, d. Okay, then we use 4 variables. I already told you that variables means select lines. Okay, so this a, b, c, d means these are select lines. You consider these are select lines. So we require a multiplexer which is having 4 select lines. That means 2 raised to 4, that is 16. That means we require 16 to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so now we use 16 to 1 multiplexer. Okay, so you consider this one. So multiplexer which is having select lines a, b, c, d, a, b, c, d, and output is y. Okay, so it has 16 select lines. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, 16 input lines. Okay, we use such a multiplexer, that is 16 to 1. Okay, so it has 16 number of inputs from 0 to 15. So 15. Okay, not 16. It is only up to 15. So these are the 16 input lines, 0 to 15. Okay, so like this. Now we are going to implement this equation by using this multiplier. It is very simple now. So 1 number, 4 number, 6 number, 8 number, 11 and 12. So these numbered inputs you have to connect to plus VCC, that is logic level 1. So here it is 1 number, then 4 numbered input, then 6 numbered input, 8 numbered input, then 11 numbered, and then 12 number. So you have to connect these inputs, okay, to the logic level 1, that is plus VCC, and connect the remaining one, okay. So dot indicates connection, and connect remaining all to the ground, okay. So connect all to the ground. So in this case we implement this equation by using 16:1 multiplexer, okay. So don't draw the internal diagram for this problem, okay, just you have to indicate by the block. Now truth table you have to write. Truth table, so it has the inputs, that is select line. Input means select line A, B, C and D, and the output Y, okay, C and D. So you have to write all combinations 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. How you have to write? I told you that 8 4 2 1, okay. So you have to consider. Now next one is 8. 9 means 8 and 1, 1 0 0 1. 10 means this 8 and 2, okay, that is 10. 11 means 8 2 1, 8 2 and 1. Addition of 8 to 1 is 11. So like that 12 1 1 0 0, then 13 14 and last one is 15. So this is a truth table for this equation, okay. Then you have to write here where 4 1 4 6 8 11 and 12. Write here 1 because all these are connected to logic level 1. So these are connected to logic level 1. When we apply the same code here 0 0 0 1, if you apply 0 0 0 1, the one number input is selected, it is connected to 1, so it becomes y equal to 1. Just write here 1, then it is 4, then 6, then 8, then 11 and 12, okay. All remaining are 0 states, okay. So this is how we are going to implement the given equation by using suitable multiplexer. So just you have to keep in mind that it may be asked like this. You have to convert it into the Boolean equation form by using. So here convert first binary equivalent and then write here 0 0 0 1 means A bar B bar C bar D, okay, like so, like that. So convert it in the equation, then you have to connect. So 4 lines means 4 select lines, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 16 to 1 multiplexer. So we require this. So it is a, okay. So this is one of the application of multiplexer. So by yourself you can solve the questions. You can solve these questions now. So this one is the same we are solved. And then this one is 13, and then again this one is same 22. Okay, then 4 line. Okay, fine. So in this given exercise in your textbook, you can solve this 11 numbered, 13 numbered and 22 numbered. Okay, so just you can solve these questions. Okay.